Introducing the Realme 16 Pro Plus, the portrait master and the battery king, redefining the mid-range smartphone experience. Experience a luxury feel and tough build with the Urban Wild aesthetic design. It features a slim 8.5mm profile and premium vegan leather in Master Gold and Master Gray. The Realme 16 Pro Plus boasts an IP69K rating, meaning it is water and dust resistant and can withstand high-pressure water jets. Protection is ensured with Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Enjoy the brightest screen in its class with 6,500 nits of peak brightness. The 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate and Hyperglow 4D curve ensures clarity even in direct sunlight. Play heavy games without lag thanks to the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor, built on 4nm architecture. With an AnTuTu score of over 1,500,000, GT Boost Mode guarantees stable gaming performance. The 7,000 mAh Titan battery allows you to charge once and use the phone for 2 days. This is much bigger than standard 5,000 mAh phones, supporting gaming, videos, and social media all day long. Get a full charge in under 1 hour with 80W Ultra Charge. You can reach 50% charge in approximately 20 minutes, and the 80W charger is included in the box. Capture every detail with the 200MP LumaColor camera and Samsung HP5 sensor. Optical image stabilization, or OIS, lets you crop photos without losing clarity. The periscope telephoto lens allows you to zoom in and stay sharp. It features a 50MP sensor with 3.5x optical zoom, perfect for portraits and distant shots. Achieve DSLR quality portraits with the AI Portrait Master algorithm. Vibe Master Mode offers 21 special filters for natural skin tones and professional background blur. The Realme 16 Pro Plus allows you to shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second on all cameras, both front and back. You can edit with AI features like AI Instant Clip to create videos with one tap, and AI Remove to instantly erase unwanted people from photos. The phone offers a smooth experience for years, running on Realme UI 7.0 based on Android 16. It is committed to providing 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security updates. The user experience is clean, fast, and easy to use. Get premium features at an unbeatable price. The effective price with offers is 35,999 rupees, down from the launch price of 43,999 rupees. You get a 7,000 mAh battery, 200MP camera, and periscope zoom at a mid-range price. Here is a full specification summary. The display is a 6.8-inch AMOLED with 144Hz and 6,500 nits. It is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 processor and has a 7,000 mAh battery with 80W charging. The rear camera system includes a 200MP OIS, 50MP periscope, 3.5x, and 8MP ultra-wide. The front camera is 50MP and supports 4K video. It has an IP69K rating, vegan leather build, and up to 12GB RAM/256GB storage. Realme,